We're out here on our 40 acres of unorganized land in the Canadian wilderness. I always wanted to try winter camping. There's a snowstorm on the way, and it's my first time using a hot tent. Usually, we share what off-grid living really looks like for us, building from the ground up, figuring things out as we go, and getting our hands dirty. Today, I'm setting up a hot tent and seeing if we can survive freezing temperatures in the middle of the woods. Stick around. This is Off Grid with Gina and Chi. Snowstorm has started. It's gonna get worse during the night though. Gotta finish getting set up. Just lighting the first fire outside before I put it in there, just to get rid of the smells, since it's the first time that I'm using this. Well, welcome to spring. First day of spring, and we got hit with 10 centimeters of snow. 20 to 40 they're predicting. I think we got already almost 20. All right, Nicholas, go put the ruler in a undisturbed place so we can see how many centimeters. Yeah, around 15. I'm happy I'm not camping too far away from home. I'm very close to my home right now. One of the reasons why I wanted to try out camping with the tent is because in the future I want to be able to go different places with the family. So I'm still new to this whole winter camping thing. So I wanted to make sure that I know what I'm doing. I know how to put up the tent and what I need to bring with me, because I don't have a lot of experience. So I decided to do it close to where I am. Our homestead is not at a point where I can just leave Gina and the kids by themselves. Like you guys saw, we just got a huge winter storm, so I have to be around to be able to take care of the snow, the road, in case of an emergency. The road needs to be open, and we need to have access to the roads. So it's good that I stayed close by, and also so the kids can come and enjoy also the experience outside. Also, I'm happy to announce that me and Gina are celebrating our 14 years of marriage this week. So we're pretty blessed. And I'm very grateful to have Gina with me, because if it wasn't for her, I don't think I could be able to do this. Like going off grid, if you don't have a spouse that's on the same page as you are, you guys don't think the same way of which way you want your life to go, then it could bring a lot of conflict. So I'm very blessed to have Gina on the same page as me, but also on the same page spiritually, because it's very important for us, the way we want to raise our kids, our family, our faith, that we are on the same page. So if you're planning on going off grid, I definitely recommend that you and your spouse are in perfect harmony, because it's very challenging. So it really helps when me and Gina are on the same page. It makes things much easier. Man, this tractor and this blower is really a lifesaver. This much snow that we got in less than 24 hours. If I didn't have this equipment, I'd be in big trouble. A lot of work to do here. Set up for my movie night with the family. Have my stand over here for the projector, my screen over there, my power supply, my solar generator over there, a couple of beds. Just need to get some lighting now. The fire is going already. It's nice and toasty in here. Just have to get the last couple of things and we're ready for family movie night.
So we are all set up for movie night in the tent. Nice and warm? Is it hot or cold?
Super hot. Like,
Super hot, right?
wood stove is really good.
The wood stove is keeping us nice and warm.
Is it on the wood stove, Robbie?
It is on. Don't you feel the heat? You just don't see it, right? Because
Yeah.
it seems like it's not.
Because I'm pretty sure the window.
Super hot in here. Whew. I even opened up a little window here. Open it up? Okay, the dogs are coming in. No peeing in here, okay, guys?
Come. Go.
Come. Don't touch the stove. That's hot. Okay, Max and Blue are in here now too. Guys ready for movie night? Yeah? Max, what you doing there?
Cooking it.
She's setting up our movie nights. Max was there trying to look for some butt cracks to lick.
Very easy to find one.
It's very easy to find a butt crack. These dogs love butt cracks.
Whoa, okay, stop. Good job. You like it, my love?
You wanna go more with Lily?
Wow. That was fun, right, baby? Yeah, okay, let's go. That's enough, right? That's enough. Okay. Well done, baby. You wanna go more, my love? Go more? Just one more time.
We couldn't get her out of the BMW without crying. She's so happy. Was that you?
Yeah.
That was you?
Next time on Off Grid with Gina and Cheap,